Shalom, 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 beautiful people. My green stalk with my collard greens are still green stalking. Yep. And I am excited, so I think I'm going to come out here tomorrow and pull some greens. And my green beans are at the top. They're popping up really well. And I am excited. The green stalks are doing well. Thought to share that with you guys today. I am doing great with my green stalks here. And I can't be more happier than what I am that it's going to be time to harvest pretty soon. Those are green beans. I had to fill some more pockets up. This collard green, I think a bird sat on here. But I had to fill some more pockets up with some green beans because some of them didn't come up due to the cold snap on this one. But the rest of the green stalks are doing well with the green beans. There's also another green stalk with the green beans that has come up. And it looks like my sunflower here, my dwarf sunflower on the green stalks. I have them on two of my green stalks and look like they're trying to come up pretty soon. I will be excited about it. This is Chevelle in my backyard garden. Thank you guys for joining me today. And if you're new here, welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Happy gardening. Until next time, be safe.